My mom's making me creamer, and it's pretty bull crap, I think, but everybody has to do that once in a while. It's not that much. I have to pick up my shoes. My drumstick. My drum set. So, here, let me just get this. What is this? It looks like something this is. Take a box. That thing just jumped at me. What the? Gonna stay over there for a second, huh? You know what I'm saying? It's pretty scary. What the heck, man? This is getting freaky. I swear. I don't like it. Here, let me pick this up. What is this for? That thing's messing with me. It just touched my butt. That's scary, dude. I don't even want to be in here no more. I saw that thing jump at me just now. I don't want it ever. I'm getting really scared here. Oh, that's Well, I told my mom about the animals, and she didn't believe me, so I told her to come back up and finish cleaning my room. I wasn't very happy about that, but, you know, it was the boss, I guess. This is in that same spot, and all the animals are gone, dude. This is getting really freaky. Oh my god, dude. It just jumps over that desk onto me. These things have like mega springs in their legs, dude, I swear. I'm about to run. It bit me. I don't need this anymore. I think they're all gone. That's how much they were last time. It's a monkey! Okay, now they're all gone. That's how many there were last time. That's how many they will be. Oh.